Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by parsing the document so you can traverse it programmatically. First, import element tree or LXML and call from string or parse on a file. This gives you a root element to inspect. Once done, inspect tag names and namespaces so your searches match exactly. Make sure to normalize namespaces or strip them if needed. You do this because incorrect tags cause missed descendants. Parsing accurately ensures subsequent queries like find, iter, or xpath return the node you need. You now perform the actual search for the first descendant. If you need the first direct child with a given tag, call element. Find tag, that returns the first match. For the first descendant at any depth, use element, iter tag and call next on its iterator or with LXML use element. Xpath, descendant, tag 0 safely inside a try. Make sure to pass namespace mappings when tags are namespaced so results are not empty, and prefer iterators to avoid building large lists. You finish by validating and returning the node or a clear fallback. After grabbing the first descendant, check for none and raise or return a default to avoid downstream errors. Then extract node, text or node. Get attribute as needed, trimming whitespace and converting types. If you get unexpected results, make sure you parse the correct file, use the right tag string, and applied namespaces. Quick troubleshooting tip: rerun with a small sample and print element. Tag an element, attrib to verify structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.